Hi, Christina again. Are you in Washington, D.C. and searching for a reliable Sebo vacuum dealer, Sebo repair service, or genuine Sebo parts? Look no further. Acevacuums is your authorized Sebo expert, conveniently located near D.C. to provide unparalleled sales, service, repairs, and warranty support. Where can Washington, D.C. customers find an authorized Sebo vacuum dealer and service center? Acevacuums is your authorized Sebo dealer and service center conveniently located near Washington, D.C. Our Fairfax, Virginia store, 11110 Lee Highway, and Leesburg, Virginia store, 300 Fort Evans Road, are easily accessible from Washington, D.C., typically a 20 to 25-minute drive depending on traffic and your exact location in the city. We're worth the short trip for expert Sebo care. What makes Sebo vacuums a great choice for Washington, D.C.? Homes and apartments? Sebo vacuums are renowned for their superior filtration, ideal for D.C. Allergies, powerful suction, durability, and quiet operation. Perfect for urban living. Their compact designs, especially the Felix or D Series, and advanced filtration systems like S-Class filtration, make them excellent for tackling pet hair and dust in smaller or high-traffic Washington, D.C. residences. Do you offer the full range of Sebo vacuum cleaners for sale in the Washington, D.C. area? Absolutely. As an authorized Sebo dealer near Washington, D.C., Acevacuums carries the full lineup of Sebo vacuums. This includes popular models like the Sebo Automatic X Series, versatile Felix Series, powerful D, K Series canisters, and specialized floor polishers. Visit our showroom to experience German engineering firsthand. My Sebo vacuum needs repair. Do you offer Sebo repair services for Washington, D.C. residents? Yes, we specialize in Sebo vacuum repair. Our factory-trained technicians have extensive experience with all Sebo models, from motor issues and brush roll problems to electrical faults and loss of suction. We provide expert diagnostics and efficient repairs to get your Sebo running like new. We're the trusted Sebo repair shop serving Washington, D.C. Are your Sebo repair technicians certified, and do you use genuine Sebo parts? Our technicians are indeed Sebo factory trained and certified, ensuring they possess the specific expertise required for these precision-engineered machines. We use only genuine Sebo replacement parts to guarantee the quality, performance, and longevity of your repair. Do you handle Sebo warranty claims and service for Washington, D.C. customers? As an authorized Sebo warranty center, Acevacuums can handle your warranty claims directly. If your Sebo vacuum is still under warranty, bring it to us and we'll manage the process efficiently, ensuring your repair or service is covered according to Sebo's guidelines. This is a huge benefit for Washington, D.C. Owners, how easy is it for Washington, D.C. customers to get to your Acevacuums locations, and is there parking? Both our Fairfax and Leesburg stores are designed for easy access. While a short drive from D.C., you'll find ample free parking directly at our locations. Why should Washington, D.C. residents choose Acevacuums as their Sebo dealer? Washington, D.C. customers choose Acevacuums for our authorized Sebo expertise, sales, service, repair, and warranty. Genuine parts, ensuring quality and longevity. Top-rated service, thousands of 5-star Google reviews. Comprehensive selection. Find the perfect Sebo for your Washington, D.C. home. Convenience, easy drive from D.C. with free parking. Customer focus, dedicated to providing the best vacuum experience. Do you offer free estimates for Sebo vacuum repairs? Yes, we believe in transparent pricing. We offer free estimates for all Sebo vacuum repairs. Can I get advice on which Sebo model is best for my Washington, D.C. apartment or house with pets allergies? Absolutely. Our knowledgeable staff can guide you through the Sebo lineup, explaining the features and benefits of each Sebo model. We'll help you select the ideal Sebo vacuum for your Washington, D.C. lifestyle.